Today in your phonics lesson, you learned how to understand how to use capital letters correctly. You looked at several different sentences today and identified why the letters within each sentence were capitalized. You learned that letters at the beginning of a sentence are always capitalized. You also discussed that names of specific places, names of specific people, events, holidays, and even the pronoun I is always capitalized within a sentence. Today you are going to play a game, either all by yourself or with a partner. That depends on what your teacher would like for you to do. After you make a copy of this, you are going to either play it twice if you're doing it by yourself, or you will have one card and your partner will have another card. And it says click and drag the cards to the side of the board to reveal the next card. So I have sentence, and it says click and drag the X to the word you would like to cover. And since I have a sentence, I need to click and drag this X to a sentence to cover it. So I drug it over here to the third grader went to school. That is a sentence, so I'm going to cover it up. I'm going to move this card out of my way, and I'm going to look at the next one. It says place. So I'm going to look at my board and see which one of these is a place, and then I will drag my X over that one. I'm going to put my X over Canada. And you will continue to move your X's and move your cards until you have covered the entire board. Have fun playing.